Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Marlena. Today's video is going to be a snowy clean with me. I have just a couple of random things I'm going to get to today. Really no rhyme or reason for them. I'm going to start off in my boys' room, start cleaning some walls, and then end in my cleaning closet.
You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along, and I can't help but feel it.
Okay, so today we're going to start here in my boys' room, and I am just going to quickly get their little beds made, and then I'm going to have some of their clothes that I need to put away. I'm going to be doing just a lot of laundry today, really, and I have just some other random things I wanted to get to, including the wall of my stairs and my cleaning closet, which is just a complete disaster. So that's what we'll be doing today. Just going to, like I said, get some get some clothes put away here, and then we will move on to starting some laundry and cleaning the wall.
With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here?
Okay, so I am doing my husband's laundry here, and the way I do laundry is by how bulky the item is. So I like to do pants together and then shirts together, because shirts are nice and light and pants are bulky. So I'm going to do a load of his pants, and I'm just checking all of his pockets to make sure he doesn't have any screws or tools, things like that in his pockets, because he is an electrician, and those things get left in his pocket a lot.
Just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?
Okay, so I'm showing you my wall here, and from far away, first glance, you really can't see a whole lot. And it took me a while to see what my son had done. It's my 2-year-old. He went down this wall with green, orange, and a pencil. So a green marker, an orange marker, and a pencil. And I'm trying to get really close here. Sorry, it's the hardest thing to film. But you can see red or orange, and then there's some pencil marking, and then there's also green. And honestly, I didn't even notice it until the pencil marking got on there, and then it got smudged. And I was like, why is my wall dirty? And I looked at it, and I was like, oh my gosh, there are 3 different colors on this wall. And so I tried to get some of the spray, and it wasn't coming off as easily as I wanted. And a magic eraser tends to take paint off. So I am going to be using a wall cleaner from Zep, and I will show that to you here in just 1 second. Here it is. It is foaming wall cleaner from Zep, and I got this at Home Depot, and it is amazing. And I'm going to show you a close-up here in just 1 second, because when I cleaned it, I was just like, oh my God, this stuff is amazing, and you guys need to see this up close. So here we go. Here is some orange, and you can see as soon as I spray it on, it starts coming off and falling down. It's that fast. So I'm just going to continue cleaning this wall here, and then I'm also going to get just this sideboard here too while I'm at the stairs.
You're gone now, or you're coming back. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope.
Okay, so again, just a little bit of a close-up. This is in my closet, and this is some of the pencil. So I'm going to get you really close up here so you can see it working. And as I'm pointing, you can kind of see it falling down. This wall is not like a glossy paint, so it did take a little bit more to get it off. But again, it comes right off. So if you have any markings on your wall and you're afraid to use a magic eraser, try this Zeph foaming wall cleaner. It is wonderful. Okay, so this is my cleaning closet slash like holding all my organizational stuff from the Dollar Tree. As you can see here, I have a huge pile of organizational bins, random cleaning products, more organizational bins, and just tons of cleaning products. This whole closet is really out of control, so I'm going to take everything out, rehome things that don't belong in here any longer, and then put everything back.
All the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart. The traveling kind, it's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. I hope I'll be your destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation.
Okay, so here is a quick look at all the things that came out of this closet. These are all my organizational bins that I've accumulated from the Dollar Tree. I have learned if you see something you like, you just grab it and then figure out what you're going to organize later. These are just a bunch of cleaning rags, bunch of random cleaning supplies that I just need to organize and get together, some old bunny food and bunny litter because I used to have a rabbit. So I am just going to work on getting all of these items somewhat organized back in this closet, and we'll see how that goes.
So your tears been running like a waterfall. Thought the stars would never let you down. And you keep on thinking you could save yourself, but that's love, that's just love. You should know some things will hurt, and you'll end up getting burned. I just hope that you will learn. That's just love, that's just love. You will get back up again, even if you don't know when. And it feels like the world is coming down on you. You have to move on, deal with your broken heart. No matter what you think, you'll never ever get enough of love. Love, 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 love.
of course my angles are just kind of not great with this video, but behind me, or yeah, kind of behind me, I put up some of my Dollar Tree tiered racks that you get like in their kitchen section, and I'm going to be using those just to stack some spray cleaners on so that way I can like see them easily, but you can't really see what I'm doing, so every time I turn around I'm putting some cleaners on that rack, and you'll see what I'm talking about here when I'm all finished.
But sometimes it can be beautiful. That's just love. That's just love. You will get back up again, even if you don't know when. And it feels like the world is coming down on you. You have to.
I'm just going to show you how I hang my cleaning gloves. I get these little hangers, usually from my kids' clothes or like random things that we buy, and I will clip them to the gloves to hang to dry like that. Okay, so we are all finished, and this is now what my cleaning closet looks like. So much better. As like with all my organizational videos, it is not perfect. It does not look, like Pinterest worthy or anything like that, but it is functional and it is like 10 times better. So here's, all my like floor cleaners, a bunch of my pine saws, all of my organizational bins, some things, some other ones I haven't used yet, obviously, and then all my sprays on those tiered racks so I can see them properly. Unfortunately, until I use some of these other like fancier little organizational bins, they're just going to sit right here on top. They're not doing anything wrong. I'll be hopefully using those soon. But this is the final product. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it as always. Have a wonderful day.